Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Salesforce with SharePoint. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And basically, to integrate SharePoint with Salesforce, we need to enable the Files Connect setup or start the process of enabling the Files Connect. And to do so, we need first to go to our setup, and basically we will need just to search for file connect. So from here we go to setup, and after that in the quick find we need just to search for the files connect, and as you can see we can find already these file connect settings or field. So now we already have the enable files connect that is enabled, and the file sharing is referenced, and you can start using external object search layouts, etc. So basically now we can start going to the general settings so we can be able to start to upload files and sharing the files. So also here we can find these asset files, we can find the content deliveries in public links, and we can also find all the other settings. So now after that you have your file connect that is set up, you will need to start uh, connecting or authorizing or authenticating your SharePoints with your organization. And basically for that, you will need just to create an authentication provider for the SharePoint service. And to do so, we will need just to go to the auth or authentication, and we can start the process of adding uh, and from here auth providers, and basically we need just to click on this one, and from here you will need just to click on new, and you will need just to add for Microsoft access control service, and from here we can start adding all these informations. So basically you will need just to add the name you want to appear in Salesforce for the name, and you will need just to add your consumer key or the placeholder. You will need just to add your keys and your consumer secrets and all the informations from your Microsoft's access control service. And after that, you will be able, or when you save, you will be able to register an Office 3065 app, and you will be able to uh, integrate your SharePoint with it. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.